right, problem number 9. Way back when we did problem number 2, I made a point to say that sometimes visually, doing the graphic method is too much work. Like in problem number 2, we would have to graph all the way up until you hit a y-intercept of 71, and that'd be ridiculous. But sometimes it's easier to do it by graph. Sometimes it will take longer to plug in the numbers and chug away that way. I think. I think this is one of those problems. I look at it, they give me a graph, right there, I already know, hey, they want me to work with this thing on the graph. So let's see if doing it visually makes sense. Let's go ahead and read it out. It says line M and point P are shown in the graph below. Wonderful. Which equation represents the line passing through point P and parallel to line M? So two conditions. One, got to be a parallel slope. And two, it has to go through point P. All right. So notice they never tell me what point P is. I need to figure out what the coordinate of that thing is. 1, 2, 3. So in the x direction, it's 3, and then down it's 1, 2, minus 2. So let me do it in my x direction, it's 3. In my y direction, it's minus 2, right? So that's the point it has to go through. Well, let's figure out what the slope of line M is. Let's see. Let me put a point here. Do it in blue. Put it here and there. It crosses. That's why those 2 points. How fast is the line M? No. The slope is going to be rise over run. Okay? So my rise is doing red is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's positive. Right? It's going to be 4 over, and my run is 1, positive 2. Well, we know that that's simply 2, right? 2 over 1. So my line has to have a slope of 2, and it's got to pass through this point. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to graph the line that passes through this point. I know you can create a line by just finding a point on a line and then finding the slope. A rise of 2 and a run of 1. That's the point of the line. A rise of 2 and a run of 1. That's the point on my line. Right? So there, a rise of 2 there. If I'm going to write the equation, going further up won't help. I need to know my y-intercept. So instead of doing the slope as 2 over 1, I'm going to do it as negative 2 over negative 1. 2 over 1 is the same as negative 2 over negative 1. They're equal, right? Positive divided by positive is positive. A negative divided by negative is still positive. This is good for me because if I just keep on doing that, positive 2 over 1, positive 2 over 1, positive 2 over 1, I'll never hit my y-intercept. I have to go in the other direction. I have to go 0, 2, and over 1, 0, 2, and over 1, 0, 2, and over 1. Ah, so there, let me get rid of, here is where that line crosses right here. Right there is where the line, right there is where the line crosses the y-axis. So I know the line that I'm looking for has got to have a slope of 2, and its y-intercept has to be what? -1, -3, -3, -1, -5, -6, -7, have a y-intercept of -8. So when I look at these multiple choice questions, I'm looking for an m equals 8, an m equals 2, and a b value of -8. Well, they're a little bit tricky in the sense that they're not writing it as that y equals mx plus b. But we kind of have to unravel them and put them into y equals mx plus b forms and look for the one that has a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of -8. So let's just start at the top with 1. 1 minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2x plus 4. Add 3, we get y equals 2x plus 7. So this does have a slope of 2, but it doesn't have a slope of -8. Right? It doesn't have that, so rule this out. Let's look at number 2. Okay, y plus 2 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 3. That's going to be y plus 2 equals, not 6x, I was saying, 2x minus 6. Subtract 2 from both sides, y equals 2x minus 8. So let's check it. The slope matches what we found, what we're looking for, and it also matches our y-intercept. So the answer is choice number 2. If it didn't work out, you would just keep on going through until you found the correct answer. That's one method of doing problem number 9. If you have another method, I'd love to hear it. I think substitution is one, but if you come up with a quicker way, let me know.